Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.1 of chapter 3 and name of the chapter is Understanding Quadrilaterals. In previous video, we have done introduction of this chapter. Now we are going to start exercise 3.1 with question number 1. In this question, this figure is given to you and you have to find out the value of A. Now, check out. This is a polygon as it is made up of straight lines. How many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides in this polygon? 5. So, we can name this figure as pentagon. Here, number of sides that means n. Let n be the number of sides that is given to you 5. Now you have to find out the value of A. The sum of the 5 interior angles of a pentagon be as number of sides. So we can find out the sum of all interior angles of a pentagon be. We know the formula, general formula, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here n is 5. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3 multiplied by 180 degree. 18 3s are 54. That means 540 degree. Now sum of all angles of a pentagon be 540 degree. So we can write it as angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E, that is equals to 540 degree. Now value of A is 2A degree. Value of angle B is 133 degree. Value of B is 48 degree. Value of D is 142 degree. Value of E is 93 degree. That is equals to 540 degree. Now you can solve 28 degree plus 133 plus 48 plus 142 plus 93, that is equals to 416. 416 degree, that is equals to 540. Now 2a degree, that is equals to 540 degree minus 416. 540 minus 416 will be 124. Now 2a degree is equals to 124. So we can solve for A. A degree is equals to 124 degree divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Here A degree, that is equals to 62 degree. In this way we can find out the value of a non-variable in any of the polygons. You have to know the how many sides in this, then you can find out by using formulas. Here A is the interior angle, so we can put the formula of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of a polygon be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here n is the number of sides. Let's move to the next question. In question number 2, you have to calculate the sum of interior angles. You have to calculate the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means whose all sides and whose all angles are equal. Regular 10-sided polygon. Here sides are given to you 10. That means number of angles are also given to you 10. As we know that in regular polygons, number of sides and number of angles are equal. Now you have to hence obtain the measure of each interior angle of the polygon. You have to measure each interior angle of a regular polygon of 10-sided. Measure each interior angle of a 10-sided regular polygon. Now we know the formula for finding the interior angles of a regular polygon, that will be n minus 2 divided by n multiplied by 180 degree. It is the formula for calculating the each interior angle. That means here n is 10. It is given to you 10-sided regular polygon. So n is given to you 10. We can put the value of 10 n, that is equal to 10 minus 2 divided by 10 multiplied by 180 degree. Here 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 10 multiplied by 180 degree. Here 0 is cancelled out with 0. 18 8s are 144 degree. Now in this way you can calculate measure of each interior angle. Also you have to find out the sum of all interior angles of a polygon, that is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Now, in this question, you also find out sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. We can calculate the sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon by using the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here n is given to you 10. 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 180 degree. That is equals to 1440 degree. It is the sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon, 10-sided regular polygon. Now measure of each angle can be calculated by using the formula n minus 2 divided by n multiplied by 180 degree. That is equals to 144 degree. Is it clear to you? Let's move to next question. In this question, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 72 degree. Regular polygon, that means all angles and all sides are equal, and measurement of each exterior angle is given to you 72 degree. Now you have to find out the number of sides in this regular polygon. Let n be the sides of this regular polygon. And we know that the formula for finding the measurement of each exterior angle of a regular polygon can be calculated by using the formula 360 degree divided by n. 360 divided by n degree. Now each exterior angle of a regular polygon can be calculated by using this formula 360 divided by n degree. Now it is given to you, measurement of each exterior angle is given to you 72 degree. That is equals to 360 divided by n degree. Now cross multiplying 360 72n that is equals to 360. Now n can be calculated as 360 divided by 72. 72 5s are 360. Here n is equals to 5. So number of sides in this regular polygon be 5. In this way we can calculate the number of sides. Let's move to next question. In this question, you have to calculate the sum of interior angles of a regular 24-sided polygon. Here, regular, that means all sides and all angles are equal. 24-sided, that means it is given to you, number of sides in this regular polygon be 24. So, sum of all interior angles can be calculated by using the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here n is given to you 24. So 24 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here 24 minus 2 is 22 multiplied by 180 degree. 22 multiplied by 180 degree, that is equals to 3960. 3960 degree. Now first part is solved. Calculate the sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon. It can be calculated by using the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Here n is given to you 24. So put the value of n and solve it. In next part, You have to obtain the measure of each interior angle. Measurement of each interior angle can be calculated by using the formula n minus 2 divided by n multiplied by 180 degree. Measurement of each interior angle. Now solve it. Here n is 24 minus 2 divided by 24 multiply by 180 degree. Here 24 minus 2 is 22. Here 24 minus 2 is 22 divided by 24 multiplied by 180 degree. Here 22 divided by 24 multiplied by 180 degree. Let's solve. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Here 2 6 are 12, 2 nines are 18, 0. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are. It is 11 multiplied by 15, that is equals to 165 degree. In this way you can calculate sum of all interior angles as well as measurement of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Thank you.